Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Auto Chris here at Junge Automotive in Hiawatha, Iowa. Right now we're sitting inside of a brand new Volvo XC60. I'm going to show you guys the 360 view camera, which is only available on selected models and trims. So keep that in mind. So it's not standard in all the vehicles. But let's show you how it works, okay? So we'll come right over here. You're at your touch screen. You're going to select this icon. There we go. You got your 360 view camera. Maybe at that time just your backup camera comes up. Okay, now as you tap on the screen and tap 360 view, there we go. Now you have your 360 view. Cool thing about this, if I put the vehicle into drive or in drive, as you guys can see right over here, you still can see what's going on up there. And then as you turn, your lines up there will turn. Okay, now I just have to tap the screen one more time. I can select each camera. So there's my front view. There's my side view, my other side view, and you can turn off your parking sensors, your rear auto brake, all kinds of cool stuff as you see fit on a click of a button. Okay, now when you start driving, automatically it will turn off when you get to a certain speed. So keep that in mind. It's not always going to display up there. So if you have your front view camera, it's not going to be consistently up there 24/7. When you get to a certain speed, it automatically turns off. So this is more of a situational use. Like if I'm pulling up to something, I can see how close I'm getting or backing up, stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be a 360 view camera right here in the Volvo. Just want to share that with you guys. I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye bye.